Three reasons why foreigners looking to invest in Africa should consider South Sudan. One, the government of South Sudan does not restrict investment in any industry in South Sudan, meaning our clients can invest in any industry without any interference or restrictions from the local government. Number two, although the standard regulatory requirements around setting up a company requires a local shareholder, this law does not apply to foreigners or foreign companies setting up subsidiaries or branch offices, meaning the foreign company can own up to 100% shares in the local company. Number three, those clients interested in leasing land in South Sudan can do so up to 60 years without any restrictions from the local government, and after these 60 years, it is also renewable for another 30 to 60 years. There are 6 major steps when setting up a company in South Sudan. This is going to be specific to foreign companies setting up subsidiaries or branch offices in South Sudan. Number one is to get documents. The foreign documents are tested and legalized at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Number two is to obtain a certificate of no objection from the same ministry. Number three is to submit an application to the Ministry of Justice, whereby you will obtain a certificate of registration. Thereafter, we submit an application to the State Ministry of Trade to obtain the relevant trade license in respect to the specific industry in which the client is setting up. Thereafter, we will submit an application to the Chamber of Commerce for membership registration. After this membership registration approval, then we proceed to register the company for tax, after which, obtaining a tax number, you can then start your operations in South Sudan. If you require our assistance with opening a bank account, then we will proceed with this process after obtaining the tax registration certificate. The total cost of setting up in South Sudan, this is going to be specific to a branch office or subsidiary, is $17,700. This includes the company incorporation fee, as well as a virtual office for 1 year, government registration fees, opening a corporate bank account without the need of you to travel, as well as tax and VAT registration. Some of the challenges that foreigners might encounter when setting up a business in South Sudan is one, the process of setting up the company or branch office can be a long and cumbersome process, especially if the foreign investor is looking to navigate this process without the assistance of a locally connected, well-connected or individual or consultant. Number two, the laws and regulations in South Sudan are sometimes enforced randomly without knowledge to the locals or the foreign investors. So it might be challenging to know which law applies and which law does not apply. Number three, there's a lack of information and transparency in certain industries. For example, in the oil and gas industry, which is the #1 industry for foreign direct investments in South Sudan. These are the list of services that Healy Consultants can assist you with for those foreigners looking to set up business in South Sudan. We can assist you with company incorporation, be it a branch office or an LLC, as well as getting licensing across different sectors in South Sudan. We can also assist you with tax registration, as well as opening a local corporate bank account without the need for you to travel to South Sudan. We can also assist you to hire employees and also provide you with the ongoing annual accounting, filing and payroll, as well as any auditing requirements in South Sudan. Healy Consultants can assist you in a number of ways. Those clients looking to set up in South Sudan, we can assist you to determine the requirements around the specific sector in which you're interested in, be it approvals from the regulatory authorities as well as licensing from the government. We can assist you navigate the A to Z of setting up a business, getting licensing, and starting your office in South Sudan. And number two, we can also assist you to open a local bank account without the need for you to travel to South Sudan. We can do this through a power of attorney, and once we get that authorization, we can assist you with the entire process. Number three, we can also assist you with hiring employees locally, as well as assisting with the ongoing accounting, tax, and filing requirements necessary to keep your company in good standing with the local authorities. One message that I would give to foreigners setting up businesses in South Sudan is it is prudent to get a locally knowledgeable expert, especially in your industry in which you are targeting to set up your business, to assist you navigate the bureaucracy around setting up a business in South Sudan. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you're interested in more information about setting up a business in South Sudan, please go to our website www.healyconsultants.com or reach us through the numbers below in this video. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.